It. Ever feel like you want to connect with someone, but the words just don't come out right? What if I told you that you could build influence and rapport without saying a single thing? It's all about body language, and it's surprisingly powerful. First, try subtly mirroring the other person's posture. If they lean in, you lean in. If they cross their arms, wait a moment, then cross yours. This creates an unconscious sense of similarity and trust. Second, a simple one. Smile when they smile. This shows you're on the same emotional wavelength. Third, nod while they're talking. This doesn't just show you're listening. It actively encourages them to keep sharing. These small actions can completely change the dynamic of a conversation. Try them out and see the difference. And if you think this is cool, wait for my next video. I'm going to share a silent persuasion technique that is a total game changer. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.